What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We're tuning in for another video, man. And today we got a little busy day. Once again, we finna go pick up some parts for wifey car, and I got to go get some stuff for I got to pay for some stuff for Dolo spark plug, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drop the exhaust stuff off at Lawless, man, so I quit riding around with this stuff in my truck. I'm finna go ahead and drop this stuff off so it can be over there, cause I don't have to have it at the house. Say I got the whole exhaust, y'all know the mufflers and this and that, and then we got to schedule this thing again. So I can go ahead and get the exhaust put on, man. It's a beautiful day today. It feels good. Like, it ain't hot, man. They're one of them days like you ride for real. Like, this is one of them days, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and get a distributor for right now. Oh, y'all look crooked, man. I don't know why this thing look crooked. Let me fix y'all. All right, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a distributor for right now, man. To stick in Grandma Nana car. I still have not got that car cranked, man, but I got to just get on it and get it done. So I'm gonna stick a distributor in there, so I have all this stuff new. I'm gonna redo the wiring and all that for the ignition system, and then I'm pretty sure she gonna fire up. But anyway, we finna hit the road. I gotta put them lights in R&B too, man. I should have, not R&B, Grandma Nana. I gotta put them lights in there too, man. I got some more stuff to do. But anyway, y'all stay tuned, man. We finna hit the road. All right, we're checking in. So y'all see, made it over here, AutoZone. Picked up new distributor for Grandma Nana. So I got the sale call. I'm really not a fan of the Street Fighter distributor. They so-so. We got one in wifey car. It's been doing okay, but believe me, I'm gonna take it out. So we got the new distributor, man. I gotta take the insides out of it. And then we got the paint for wifey car, engine bay. So I got some at the house already. Then we got this to retouch the brackets. And I got this for R&B. Then I got some more spark plugs for Dolo. Cause you can never have enough spark plug, man. So, you know, that's what we got going on. Let me get that thumbnail for y'all. Yes, indeed. So, we finna head over to Jesse, man, see if I can catch him. I might have to catch him later in the evening, cause he probably getting ready to go grab his little girl from school. But anyway, I had to get this, man, cause I get tired of getting in here looking, and then my cigarette lighter thing missed, man. So that's why I got this right here, man. I'm finna go and pop that in, so we'll fill that gap. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, we back. R&B put up. Get the spark plugs out here. Hit Rick, man. I told him he can come by get the parts if he want to. The paint. But this joker right here, I need to go ahead and get this put in Grandma Nana ASAP Rocky. So I can start back driving. Let's see. I done ran these before. Plenty of time. These over here last. They actually last, man. Yep. They come. Man, I know you playing. Dog. They ain't playing either. Man, this over here, no coil.
Oh my God. Come on now. Y'all gonna at least put a coil in this nag, man. If you pay all this money, they don't give you no coil. Ain't that some junk? No coil on this sap sucker, boy, I tell you. Well, look like I'm gonna have to be going back to the parts store now. I need a coil. That's mighty, man. I can't believe them jokers ain't got no coil, man. I ain't bought no. Well, I guess shoot, when you get the MAD ready to the MAD Pro Billet, they don't come with no coil either. You gotta run external coil. So I wanna place everything, man. So now I'm gonna have to go get that coil, man. I'm gonna get that done. A sale coil, that little top they go on there. I think it's about $30-something. That little souped up coil or whatever. I'm gonna go get it. And yes, you can run a sale products with the MSD ignition, man. You can do it, no problem, no issue. Oh, excuse me, y'all. So, man, I'm gonna have to go back to the parts store, boy. Ain't that some junk? Ain't that some junk, man? But we got distributor, so we'll go add this over here to the pile. I'm gonna probably tell Rick to take that brake clean. And man, I still got parts for sale, man. I have parts for sale. I got that 4,000 nitro converter for sale. I just sold the other one, the one that came out of Dolo, man. It was brand new. I just sold it. I got this right here for sale for $380. And I'll ship all this stuff if you need it. I got a Holly Blue over there for sale. I got the big block stud girdles. I got big block electric water pump. March Performance big block pulley. The pulleys, all the stuff on meets, the front stuff. Y'all know it brand new. That stuff brand new, man. I got it all for sale, man. I will ship everything. The parts getting gone. The head's gone. The head sold. The carburetor sold. The header sold. The one of my converters sold already. I got somebody inquiring about the pump, but I got a Holly Blue for sale. I'm about to have a Holly Black for sale, which y'all seen. It brand new. Y'all saw it brand new. I just bought it. So I'm gonna save you a little money, but I'm not finna knock my head off, and I bought this stuff new. But the Holly Blue I got in there, $130, man. I sell it. And Holly Blue is $200 for people that want to do their research. Brand new, they cost $200. So I sell that for $130. I ship it too. It's a pretty small item. Shipping probably wouldn't be too much. I'm gonna have another Holly Blue for sale, cause I gotta take a Holly Blue off of. I'm sorry. I'm keeping the Holly Black. But I'm gonna have another Holly Blue for sale, cause I gotta take one of them off of Meach. So I'm gonna have another. That one brand new. Now that one, the one I'm taking on Meach, is a brand new pump. It brand spanking. So I'm gonna have it for sale too. But I got parts for sale, man. Y'all gotta get at me and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So look, it's the next day, man. Checking in. Y'all know we had a lot we got done yesterday, but running around areas and stuff. But I ain't want to end the vlog, but y'all got to check out my fam D. I'm over here at this house chilling, man. Y'all got to check out the truck. This slow-mo. This slow-mo, man. Look at Ella. He be driving a mess out this thing too. He be driving the mess out this joker, boy. I'm talking about really be on the road with it. Got the 30s. I be telling y'all, man. Chrome look good, man. When you know how to execute the build, this truck so clean. This truck.
You just brought it back home yesterday, so.
Oh yeah, he did.
Everything dirty, so you gotta put my brake master on there.
Oh yeah, look at it. That joker is nice. Hey man, I'm telling you, when I say he be driving this, he be driving it, boy. We be on the same thing, man. This whole slow-mo, man. It clean, too. It too clean. So I'm going to turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all. We checking in. So, look, I made it back to the house, as y'all can see. I'm in the office, man. I said it was too hot outside, man. I'm coming in for a second because I've been handling business and all that. But y'all can see, man, we got everything done. We hit AutoZone. I went back and got the coil, too. But I ain't show y'all. I went back and got the coil, so I'm probably gonna go out there to cool off and tinker with Grandma Nana a little bit, cause y'all know we got my birthday cookout coming up in 2 weeks, man. October the 2nd, man. Flyer on the screen right now. It's in 2 weeks, man. Free food, free drinks, not alcohol. I mean Sprite, Coke, water. No alcohol, man. Free drink. Y'all know my stuff, man. I'm about having a good time, man. Good atmosphere. If you missed it last year, man, go back and look at the vlog or whatever. It was a good time. There was a bunch of cars out there. Everybody enjoyed themselves, and it was a free food, and everybody got a chance to eat. And more than enough, man. And I'm gonna have the whole entire fleet out there. Yes, the whole entire fleet gonna be out there at the birthday cookout, man. So I'm getting stuff ready for that. So that's why I said I gotta go out here and tinker with Grandma Nana, man, get this new ignition system ran. So I know she ate one of those steak sauce and make sure she out there in her Sunday best. You know, she gotta be out in her Sunday best, man. So yeah, I went and pulled up on DJ, hollered at DJ for a second, man, cause I ain't had nothing going on. So I chilled with him for a second, man. We just kicked it. And boy, that truck clean, man. That thing clean, man. He actually had put that truck together for the Rick Rock Car Show, man. He did it in 30 days for real for the Rick Rock Car Show. And that was my first time seeing it in person, man. That joke is clean on them 30s, man. There's some 30s on the truck. AC, everything, man. And yeah. But all in all, good day, man. We got everything done. Like I said, I didn't want to close y'all out with just picking up the part, man. I want to show y'all some stuff because I knew I was going to pull up on DJ. And they're going to wrap this up, man, because I got a meets video coming for y'all tomorrow, man. Now, if you was in the Hangout, you had already seen it, but I got a video coming for y'all about meets, man, and stuff. I'm going to show y'all some stuff. Y'all going to want to see it and all of that. So, yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all later. BCG, we out.